Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is part 3 of series What is computer and how it works. So let's begin the session. Performance of computer majorly depends on two things. What are those? How fast processor can access memory storage device and processing power of processor. Now, to improve processing speed of computer, modern computers has multiple CPUs to process data fast and many gigabytes of memory storage device is used to store data and information. Let me explain in a proper way. Performance of any computer majorly depends on two things. What are those? How fast processor can access data from memory. This is one. And another is processing power of processor. How fast processor can process data. These two things decides performance level of any computer. Now, to improve processing speed of computer, modern computers has multiple CPUs. For example, we have Core 2 Duo, correct? There are many processors to process data. And similarly, if we want to represent complex data, then it needs large number of bits. To overcome this situation, there are many gigabytes of memory storage in modern computer. Now, let's move on. No matter what it is you want to do with the computer, every single action is about inputting information from physical world through input device, then storing and processing it, and getting some output back into the physical world. So what does it mean? Whatever we want to do, whatever operation we want to perform using computer, every single action is about taking input, storing into storage device, processing the data, and generating output. These four operations are basic of any computing operation. Now let's understand how data is represented in computer. We already know that computer understands machine language only. Machine language is nothing but binary language. Binary language is made of zeros and ones. Computer work on ones and zeros. Inside a computer, electric wires and circuits. Inside a computer, electric wires and circuits carry all the data and information in computer. How we can represent data or information using electricity? If there is single electric wire with electricity flowing through it, the signal could be either on or off, true or false. With one electric wire, we can represent a yes or no, that is on or off, that is true or false, where 1 means on and 0 means off. This on off state of single wire is called a bit. Bit is a smaller piece of information that a computer can store. So basically, using one single electric wire, we can represent only one state, either off or on, either 0 or 1. This way, using one wire, we can carry only one bit of information. So, to represent more information, we need more electric wire. With more bits, we can represent more complex information. Now, in decimal number system, from 0 to 9, we have total 10 digits. With combination of these 0 to 9 digit, we can represent any big number. Similarly, in binary number system, from 0 to 1, we have only 2 digits. With combination of these zeros and 1 digit, we can represent any big number. Let me help you with pictorial representation. Let's talk about decimal number system first. Decimal number system. Decimal means 10, 0 to 9. So suppose I want to represent a number which is 3246. So if we observe in this number, then this number has used all the numbers which comes in the range of 0 to 9. So here 6 means what, 4 means what, 2 means what, 3 means what, that we need to understand. That I will tell you how to calculate. First 1, then multiply it with 10, then multiply it with 10, then multiply it with 10, and so on. Means 1, then 1 into 10, then 1 into 100, then 1 into 1000. Correct. So in this number 3246, this 6 means 6 into 1, this 4 means 4 into 10, this 2 means 2 into 100, and this 3 means 3 into 1000. Now we have crystal clear understanding. This is 3246. Correct. Now let me explain binary number system. Binary number system. Here we have only two digits, 0 and 1. How we can represent any number using combination of zeros and ones? Let's see. First we will have 1, multiply it with 2, then 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 multiply it with like this, and so on. Okay. So suppose I want to represent one number, that is which is 63. I want to represent one number which is 63. How I can represent 63? Here 32 we have, here 64 is big number, so we will not take it. 32 is less than 63, so I will take 32. 32 plus 8 will be 40, and 40 plus this 4, here we have missed one digit, that is 16. Correct. Here Here we should have 16. So we'll take 32 plus 16 will become 48. 48 plus 8, 56. 56 plus 4 will become 60. If we will take 2, then it will become 62. Okay, and then if we will take 1, then it will become 63. In this way I can represent 63 number in binary with 6 ones. Okay, suppose I want to represent number 61. How I can represent that? 61, I want to represent 61. This number I want to represent using binary. Then simply I will take 32, 16, 8, 4. I will not take 2, I will take 1. So it will be like this: 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1. In this way we can represent any number using binary number system. I hope you have better understanding about how number system works. In decimal number system we have base 10. In binary number system we have base 2. Check here: 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 4, sorry, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 5, then 2 raised to 6 and so on. In this way we can convert any number in binary format. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.